This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by bracing the weapon firmly against your shoulder and establishing a repeatable cheek weld. This gives a consistent eye-to-sight relationship. Once done, bring the stock into your pocket and let your dominant eye naturally center the rear aperture. Make sure your trigger finger rests comfortably along the frame until you are ready to press. These first actions eliminate posture variability and let you focus on aligning the front post quickly and reliably. Now concentrate on the sight picture. Focus clearly on the front post while the rear aperture becomes slightly softer. That focused front is what determines point of impact. Once you've centered the front within the rear aperture, check for rifle cant by ensuring horizon and sights are level. Make small stance and cheek adjustments to keep eye relief constant. If you change magnification or optics, repeat alignment so your muscle memory encodes the correct, repeatable setup. Bring the front post onto your target and squeeze the trigger with a smooth, progressive press. Don't anticipate recoil because that shifts your sight picture. Once the round fires, maintain position and follow through. Keep your cheek weld and sight alignment until the recoil cycle finishes so you can observe impact. If impacts are inconsistent, first reevaluate eye alignment and cant, then check support grip and trigger timing. Correcting those core issues fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.